Again tonight with major developments on the Makueni senatorial race. Earlier today, the High Court formally locked out Kethi Kilonzo from the impending by-election. But her party, Wiper Democratic Movement, immediately nominated her brother Mutula Kilonzo Jr. to carry that flag. We have reports on both developments, beginning with Sophia Wanuna, who covered the High Court ruling.
J and K.
With only a week to the Makueni by-election, this was going to be a defining moment for 36-year-old Diana Kethi Kilonzo. Her fate as a budding politician and perhaps even as a lawyer having been placed in the hands of these three judges. Justices Mumbi Ngoge, Weldon Career and Richard Mongo rejected Kethi's contention that the IEBC tribunal which locked her out of the Makueni race had overstepped its mandate.
It was the exclusive constitutional mandate of IEBC under Article 88(4) to settle all pre-election disputes.
And on whether Kethi Kilonzo, a lawyer who captured the hearts of many Kenyans during the presidential election petition hearing in March this year, had had her rights violated by the IEBC.
We take the view that Ms. Kilonzo was accorded a fair hearing in every respect. If we were to hold that the committee violated Ms. Kilonzo's rights under Article 27, by not permitting her to benefit from an illegality, even if, as she contends, others have benefited from such illegalities in the past. Our duty under the Constitution is to uphold the rule of law and the values enshrined in the Constitution, and it would be to abuse this duty if we were to uphold Ms. Kilonzo's contentions.
And with that, Kethi's dream of carrying her late father's mantle was crushed. However, IEBC's conduct was not spared by the judges.
We are of the view that the IEBC mishandled its constitutional mandate with regard to Ms. Kilonzo's registration status. It could have exercised greater diligence, given all the powers and information in its possession, to establish early enough her registration status.
The city lawyer had begun her campaign in earnest before this latest saga boiled over.
Kwa kweli, siku ya leo mimi nimeingia nasari ya siasa. Nasari.
And indeed a political nursery it was for Kethi Kilonzo. And unfortunately she will not be able to graduate from the School of Politics after the High Court dismissed all her prayers. Now she has to await investigations into fraud allegations leveled against her by the IEBC that could determine the future of her legal practice. Sophia Wanuna, KTN.